Hi, Bam Bam here from MarineMax, and today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42GLS Outboard. This is a big boat for a day cruiser, also has a cabin down below, great for weekend trips or going to the Bahamas. And right now I'm standing on the portside beach patio. We have another one on the starboard side. These come down electronically, come back up electronically, and really open up the boat. As you can see, this is a very large area in the back with some sun loungers here that make sitting in the sun really nice. Or you can also extend the power shade if you want a little less sun, or maybe cut down some heat as well. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 600 horsepower V12 engines. These are real powerhouses. What makes them really unique is they've got a 2-speed transmission, counter-rotating props, and it picks up these big boats and makes them very fuel efficient. They handle extremely well. You're going to be really pleased with the performance of this boat. When the engines are down, this platform will lower, and we've got an even larger area from when you're out at the sandbar. Let's come in and step into the cockpit and take a look at what we've got in here. First, you'll notice the tremendous amount of space, seating for the entire family, all your friends. We've got a really nice table here with a high gloss finish. It's designed for comfort, entertaining, and how do you do that without a summer kitchen? So this boat is equipped with a nice grill right here. And we've got not one, but 2 refrigerators. Keep all your food and drinks cold for the entire day. This is really cool. You've got a stereo remote control out here that you can adjust the tunes and also control both the port side and starboard side beach patios. Very efficient setup. As we go further into the cockpit, you're going to notice another nice feature, the ice maker. How about having an ice maker on board for your cocktails? That's a great way to make drinks, fill up the blender, make pina coladas that you can plug in your blender right here on the 110 outlets. What's really cool is once you've made your favorite dietary smoothie like a pina colada or a margarita, you've got a couple of bar stools here and you can enjoy the view, meet with your friends, have a great day out on the water. We're going to look at the helm here real quick. You're going to notice we've got 2 12-inch Simrad displays, full navigation, sonar, radar as well. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper 6 for stability. This is extremely stable boat in the water, whether you're just anchored up or if you're running. The nice thing about this boat too with these twin 600s is the joystick controls we've got right here. Make the boat extremely nimble. You can walk it sideways, diagonally, turn it in place. It makes this boat super easy to handle, gives you a lot of control and comfort. And as we lock forward, we're going to take a look at the bow area. We're going to come through this huge opening windshield right here, and then we're going to find an additional living room space out at the bow. We've got great seating out here, complete with armrests, cup holders, another stereo control where you can adjust your stereo and tunes. We've got a table that fits up in here, and in addition to the rear shade at the transom, this boat has a bow shade that you can attach that comes all the way out here forward, keep this nice area cool. Now we're going to check out one of the great overnighting features of this boat that also adds comfort to the cockpit. As we walk back, you'll see by the bar stools some air conditioning vents. You're going to find them throughout the cockpit area because this entire area does get air conditioning, as does the cabin down below. So down below we've got a convertible dinette, a table that converts to a berth forward, and there's a full-size beam width berth midship just behind the staircase. In addition to that, we've got a full-size enclosed head, which makes this boat super comfortable, and you've got a television, microwave, and another refrigerator. So you've got plenty of refrigeration on this boat, lots of space, easy to sleep 4 people overnight on a weekend or cruise to the Bahamas. If you've got any questions or would like to sea trial this boat, give us a call at 904-545-5310. Thanks again for visiting MarineMax. Have a great day.